Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW 1 Series air filter. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Gather your tools, which typically include a screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and of course, your new air filter. Locate the air filter housing, usually a large black box, situated prominently in your engine bay. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the old filter. Begin by unfastening the clips or screws holding the air filter housing cover in place. You might need a Torx bit or a flathead screwdriver for this step. Gently disconnect any hoses or electrical sensors that are attached to the housing to allow for full access. Once the cover is loose, carefully lift it off and remove the old, often visibly dirty, air filter. With the old filter out, it's time for the new one. Carefully place the fresh air filter into the housing, making sure it sits correctly and the rubber seal is properly seated around the edges. Reconnect any hoses or sensors you detached earlier, ensuring they are firmly in place. Finally, reposition the air filter housing cover and secure it by re-engaging all clips or tightening the screws you removed. After securing the housing, start your engine briefly to confirm everything sounds normal and there are no warning lights. A new air filter significantly improves your engine's breathing, leading to better fuel economy and enhanced performance. This simple maintenance task can extend your vehicle's life and keep it running efficiently. Remember to check the description below for the Echo Dot smart speaker link and other great deals. Enjoy your smoother ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.